Good morning, academics and scholars, and welcome to week 2. I am hoping that you are feeling pretty confident that you have gone through Canvas with week 1 and really felt like you dipped your feet into these waters and that you feel like you can step right into the pool, you feel comfortable, and you're ready to go. Right? I'm hoping that you went through the modules and that you went in order and that you took great notes and that you're ready to get started this week in earnest with some real coursework. So I am excited to see how everybody continues to grow, flourish, and reach towards success. So let's get started. Make sure that as you're moving through the module this week that you do the same thing, right? That you enter into Canvas modules, that you see what is available for you for week 2, and that you move through things in order, beginning with the first page. And if you'll notice, things are numbered. So the first page always says learning objectives and required tasks. So this is where you start. This is where you can sort of plan out your week beginning on Mondays, and that you take your time being very thorough and being very cognizant and intentional about setting time each and every day to complete your assignments. Don't overwhelm yourself, right? Give it 15, 20, 30 minutes a day, and you will feel like you are moving through the coursework in a reasonable manner, that you're being really intentional, that you are working as a college student who knows how to rise to college level expectations, right? So I hope that you're going to do that. Speaking of Canvas, I hope that, like I said, every Monday, which is today, that your new weekly learning module will open, so you'll know exactly what to do and how to plan out your week, that you're setting reminders, you're using calendars, whether they're digital, right? Or they're tangible and you have hard copies, whatever you do, use those things and set yourself up for success now at the start of the semester so that you can be successful throughout the semester. Next, let's talk honor lock. So I always have a few students at the start of a semester reach out to me because they kind of hit some honor lock snags. And this is why right in week 1, I have you guys do a couple of quick quizzes that are low stakes, but give you an opportunity to make sure that honor lock is set on your computers. Now, if you at any point in the semester encounter honor lock problems, the person or the people to go to is honor lock themselves. So first start with the honor lock reference module. It was in last week's Canvas modules. Make sure that you go there first, right? You try to solve your problem there first by going through and making sure you have set up your system, your computer, for making sure that it has everything it needs to work that software appropriately. If none of that works, right? You've set up the honor lock extension on your computer, you have the right browser, your browser is updated, etc., 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 and you still encounter problems, then make sure you reach out to honor lock support themselves, and they have 24/7 tech support to help you. So go to that reference module and seek them out. They're really great over there. Next, the textbook. So hopefully you have gotten your textbook. If your textbook is on order and you're waiting for it to arrive, remember that you can request chapters, but you've got to be proactive about that. There was a link in week 1 that said that you can request 1 or 2 chapters at a time from the TCC library. So if this is you and you haven't done that yet, you're a little bit behind the 8 ball. So you need to jump over to that link and request those chapters right now. Next, the Canvas app. Please make sure that you have downloaded the free Canvas student app. Okay, you want to make sure that you set up notifications on that app. Now, you can't complete your assignments on that app, but these little guys tend to be around us all the time. So it's really helpful, for me included, by the way. It's really helpful that I can just get on there, jump on there, see if I have any messages. I can set up my notifications so that I can see when one of you is trying to reach me. Also, if I have any important reminders, notifications, overdue notices, things like that, that you are receiving those things straight away. And since all TCC professors use Canvas, it really behooves you to make sure that you download that app so that you can get any reminders or any kind of information that you want to check up on any of your courses right here through your phone. So download that free student app and do it today. Next, TCC emails. You should be checking your Canvas app inbox and your TCC emails every single day. You get important information from all different areas around campus. Maybe administration needs to talk with you. Maybe financial aid needs to talk with you. You need to make sure that your professors, if they reach out to you, that you answer them in a polite and timely manner. So make sure you're checking things every single day. Last but not least, please come and see me during office hours if you have questions or you need help. And feel free to message me at any time if you have a question. Just make sure that you, of course, treat those messages the way you should. We are now in college. They should be professional. So make sure you have an opening. Make sure you tell me who you are, what class that you're in, because us professors, we have many students in many classes. And let us know how we can help you and sign off with your full name. Remember to use your TCC email when doing this, because if you try to use an outside email, we may not receive it. So that's it just for sort of general welcome to week 2. Once you jump into the module, you will see that there is a lecture video, which really details what you need to know for that week and kind of gives you an overview of what to expect. I'm super happy that you're with me this semester, and I hope you feel excited about your success because I am excited about you.